Please watch Jamaican and Houston Wildlife, and please comment, like, subscribe, and share.
Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's your guy George from Jamaican and Houston Wildlife Plus TV, and I have for you guys a nice little video that I'm putting together right now. Today is Thanksgiving, right? Today is Thanksgiving Day, and you know it's all about being with your families, being with your friends, cooking, you know, having a few drinks and stuff like that, making yourself merry, you know, and giving thanks for life overall, giving thanks for everything that is good, right? So here I am, guys. This morning I got a call from a friend, and it's all about jerk. Jerk, guys. That's the reason why I'm doing this video right now, because I'm about to jerk some, not chicken. I don't deal with pork, right? So it wouldn't be pork. So let me take you out of that suspense, guys. I am about to jerk some turkey, right? A friend of mine called me this morning. George, I got some turkey here, and I have some friends coming over for dinner, and I want to put a difference to the turkey, not just the regular way that they prepare turkey, right? So we're gonna give it the Jamaican thing, you know, put a little touch of Jamaica in it, you know, guys. So I'm about to do the jerk turkey. All right, because I'm not doing it myself. It was pre-seasoned, it was pre-marinated and stuff like that. So all I'm going to do, guys, I add a little of my stuff to it, you know. I add a little bit of my seasoning to it to give it my touch, right? And I'm about to light the fire, put it on the grill, fix this jerk turkey up, and hand it over. All right, guys, so that is what I'm gonna be doing today on Thanksgiving Day. All right, so stick around, guys, don't go nowhere. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, just go ahead and do that right now while you're watching this video. All right, so remember, share with a friend. All right, help me to build a channel if you really like what I'm doing. Thank you so much. Watch what's coming up next, guys. Gonna light the fire, get the turkey going. Before I start the fire, what I'm going to do is, let me give you a little, this is what we got, guys. That's all turkey, right? So just giving you a little peek on what we got here. All right, so I'm going to put this fire together right now, guys. Get it going. At least I have something to do for Thanksgiving Day. Okay, the fire is lit. There you go. Time is kind of overcast right now, guys. It's a bit dark outside, you know. It's about 9:30 right now, but it's overcast, and we might get some showers today because the way the time looks, I think we're gonna get some rain. But I'm here doing this, and I'm happy that I'm able to do some good on Thanksgiving Day for somebody, right? So yeah, while the fire catch up, I'll just give you a little touch, guys. Some peeps, look out there. Look at my cane, my sugar cane. Look at my sugar cane, guys. I am going to cut it because I have 6 sugar cane out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cane in the root, people, and I'm going to cut it and peel it and sit down and enjoy it, and also share with a friend. Alright guys, so you can see that the flames die down right now, and it's all live coal I got on the grill. So it's about time for me now to put the turkey onto the grill. So alright, so peeps, look at them big legs. I mean, how many in there? 2? Yeah, legs, right? Look at that. See, definitely turkey. All right, wings, guys, wings. We got 2 of them, so it's wings. So big turkey, monster turkey. Look at the gizzard. Gosh, big old gizzard. And this part of my favorite, you know, guys. When I jerk, nobody get the chicken gizzard on the neck, or the turkey gizzard on the neck. So two more pieces. 2, oh, 4. Can bet you this is gonna taste good. So here comes the neck. Turkey neck. 2 pieces of neck. Liver and heart. So the corner, I'm going to put them people right now, the corner. So slow cook. Alright. So that's it. Soon come back. I have this fish head here, and I decided that, you know, it was all thaw out and everything like that, you know. It's the same bull red that I caught the last time on that last video. So I have it and it thaw out, so you know, I say, you know what, they have some seasoning, some jerk seasoning left back in the pan. So guess what I decide to do now, peeps? I just dip them in it and put them on the grill. So you know what I'm going to do after this now? I'm going to file them, people. I make it jerk like this first, and then after that, now this is how I do my jerk, guys. See, use up all the seasoning and make it just go and cook down moist, you know. Put some moisture to it. Cause we not do dry jerk, you know, people. We not do for we jerk. We not do our chicken when time we do our chicken. We not jerk or anything we jerk. We don't do it dry. You know, so my little trick is that after I jerk, when I know it cook like that, chop it up, put in some foil, put some jerk sauce now, not seasoning anymore. Jerk sauce. Yeah. Just put some jerk sauce over it, people, and close the foil paper and put it on the top shelf of the grill and make it just stay there slow cooking and steaming, yeah. That you want to taste. You understand, peeps? That is the trick to it, you know, to make it chicken not dry out and come in like cardboard, you know. Moist, yeah man, soft and nice. See there, guys, just have a close look. See the fish head there? People, you wouldn't believe that this is one fish head. You know, if you check it from here right across to here on the grill, right? Now I have to cut it in quarters because the way the fish head big, you know, the size of the fish head, I have to cut it in quarters, guys. So these are 4 pieces of a fish head there, right there, so now, and I jerk that, right? See there, turkey. Look at that, guys. Nice brown and pretty, no burn. See there, guys. Look. All right. So, all right. Stay tuned. Soon come. All right, peeps. So, as you can see, it reaches a stage now, guys, where I'm taking it off because, you know, you can look at it, guys, all nice brown, and it says cooked to the point now where I'm going to chop it up, put the jerk sauce on it and file it, and then put it back on the top grill, guys, so for it to steam in, right? That is what I'm doing right now, so stay tuned. Yeah, the fish there are going to, you know, see the fish head? Fish head are going with them things, you know, guys, see there? The big old fish head. So, all them will get moist and nice when the time I'm done with them, you know, guys, see? Fish head. Yep. Turkey leg. See? So, everybody I got nice and now, people. Reach the point now, partner. It is getting closer to the finish, you know. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah. See that, peeps? Look at that. Well cooked. I have to give you a close-up shot of this, guys. Look at it. You know? Nice. Looking good. Look at that. Now when I put the sauce on this now, guys, and file it, gosh, you would love to taste it. And I watch my piece of board, you know. I have a nice little chopping board inside, but it's too small for this job, so I draw off a piece of plywood. Yep. Plywood well wash off and nice, you know. Yes, peeps, it's coming. Getting there, guys, getting there. Nice chunks of meat. That's all meat right there. One little piece of bone in the middle there. Yeah. Alright, guys, so I am going to file these now and put some sauce on it and file it. Put it on the top grill, make it soak in, you know. Stay with me, guys. Okay, my friends, so I'm now taking out the fish. If you notice, I chop it up just like how you know, just put some chop in the bone, because the fish head is a very big fish head, guy. Very big fish head. And it is also ready. So what I'm going to do is foil it. And peeps, if you look at it, see, it's a lot of meat. Look at that, all fleshy right here. So you got a lot of meat in the fish head. It's a very big fish head. So you know Junior not interested in this now, because him not deal with, inside not eat nothing with head. No head at all him not eat. So I'm kinda out of the picture here so right now. But people see it, look at that. So guys, take these off, and then I'm going to put some sauce on it. See this, guys, all meat, meaty, a lot of meat. So this is jerk redfish head. So this one is called, guys, jerk redfish head. Yeah. So all right, now that I have it here, I am going to put some sauce on it now and seal it up and put it back on the grill. So sauce, look like I just have the right amount that I need, just to make it moist and nice. All right. Okay guys, now I'm going to seal it up and put it on the grill again, and this time I steam now, guys. So I'm going to trap all of the flavor inside of the foil, including the juice. Just let it steam out properly. Alright, so they're right in the middle right there. And these guys, the turkey neck. So you know, say at the jerk man special this now go back in the package, guys. So the turkey up here and the jerk redfish head down there. So this is mine now. I'm gonna taste it now, guys, and tell you, you know, let me take a bite. Guys, if you look good, you see how the seasoning soak into the meat. Look, well marinated and tastes good, trust me. Yeah, I'm feeling good to come out like this, because the people that will eat that will enjoy it. I can guarantee you that. Look at that. Nice. Tell me how the jerk.
It is delicious. Y'all need to try it. It's good.
It's good?
It's good.
You're not kidding me.
It's good. If it wasn't good, I wouldn't eat it.
Alright, and people, see Dana over there, she digging in like crazy. Dana, how it is?
It's good. It's good.
Yes, we can do it again?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so see, that's the jerk turkey, Jamaican style, you know?
So the turkey smell like it tastes good.
People, no, I never hear that term in my life. The turkey smell like it tastes good. Eh? Come, let me try to figure out what that means. But taste is something, let me tell the people them how it tastes. Just taste one little piece.
Before me even done.
Yes, just taste the turkey.
Are the turkey this?
Yes, it smells like it tastes good for chicken. I'm not going to get no sauce for it yet. I'm not jerky can't get.
Eh?
Bad.
Eh? I same thing she said that it tastes good, you know? Okay. Alright, now make you finish load up the plate.
You can't go on. You're happy.
Me happen?
Yeah.
Honest opinion there.
For real.
Alright guys, see Diane is here and Diane digging in. Now she going to taste the jerk turkey.
How you jerk this?
Grill, yeah. No, well, we jerk it, you know, in big pieces, and then after that we chop it up and then put it in a foil paper with the jerk sauce, a special made jerk sauce. And right, and then now lock it up in the foil paper and put it back on the grill and make it steaming, and then you get the moist, it becomes moist. No, we just develop my own little skill, you know. So it tastes alright.
And you not dry.
Alright. Okay. Alright, thank you. Alright. Catch you next time around, guys. It's George from Jamaican in Houston TV saying I'm out.